Hi, my name is Poonam Sandhu. I'm a third-year law student at the McGill Faculty of Law in Montreal, Canada, which is one of the 2 IRAP chapters in Canada. I knew about IRAP before coming into law school because I had done a graduate degree in refugee and forced migration studies. And so I knew this was an area of interest of mine. And in deciding to go to law school, I actually picked a law school that had an IRAP chapter, which is lucky for me because there are only 2 in Canada and one of them is at the school that I ended up at. So I knew I wanted to be involved from the club from before I even started at the faculty. I knew I wanted to try and stay involved in a way that I could moving forward in my career. It's a little bit difficult for me because as a Canadian law student, I didn't necessarily see a clear path to how I could keep IRAP in particular integrated in my professional development, but I knew that I wanted to keep displacement issues and legal issues affecting displaced peoples at least related to the kind of work I'm doing in the future, if not the central core. And so for me, I'm actually joining a US law firm in the summer to summer with them here in New York. And so I'm actually really excited to continue and hopefully become a pro bono attorney in the future and kind of continue that link with IRAP. The one thing I would tell the world about refugee rights that I think deserves to be reiterated is the fact that people who are displaced can simultaneously be entrepreneurial and ambitious and resilient people, but also could benefit and require assistance from states and organizations. And I don't think those 2 things are mutually exclusive. And I think that in responding to displacement, it's really important to acknowledge agency of people who are displaced, but also not use that agency in order to responsibilize them for their own well-being, their successes or failures.